people in the park,
Christ
right,
almighty,
that give
what
me
the hell
dirty
was
looks
that
if I'm
about?
walking, like, if I go for a walk with my friends and they've got their dogs with them or whatever, and so there's a few dogs.
I put it on. Open your door, you Christ.
They got those funny hats. Cops aren't allowed to carry guns in this country, you know you.
Oh, shooting out, Christ.
Are they allowed to carry guns? At least now we know the fish tanks hold water. Shit!
Actually skidded, you hear that?
Yeah.
Don't skid very often.
As soon as Uncharted 4 comes out, and then we'll get The Last of Us remastered as well.
You don't really stop there. I guess
If you do, you put the hazard lights on.
Yeah, they just stop there talking.
You don't really want to speak after that record, do you? 'Cause it's all so beautiful and like sleek and ethereal. You're like, I am Jessie Weather on Radio 1. And it's News Kidding, so she's really, really good. I really like you and Jessie Weather. I've been showing it for ages, though. Do you know what? She's only been in once.
2 years ago.
2 years ago.
When we started the show,
Yeah.
a few weeks in, so yeah.
But she's good.
Yeah. Now that I escape, sleepwalk awake. Those who go where they know the world ain't kick. Jail bars ain't gold gates. Those who fake they break. When they meet their 400 pound lady, if I can rule the world, everyone would have a gun and together, of course, we get the up and on their horse. Kick around, bring your moonshine. I pour a sip on the concrete. Put in the seats, but no, don't weep. Why Clef's in the
My bad. That was close.
Вот она авария, блядь. Ебать.
Кипиш, короче, ключи от гаража, короче,